it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. We are doing another dupes video to wrap up my April dupes series. Today we are facing off the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow against the Elf liquid glitter eyeshadow. If you are interested to see how these two go head to head, price, application, wear, look, the whole 9 yards, then please keep watching. Alright guys, we are back with another dupes video to wrap up my April dupes series this month. Hope you've had fun. I have. I have purchased all of these products on my own. Opinions are 100% my own. As I've stated in previous videos, I think it's a good idea to know about dupes. I know a lot of people have a lot of feelings about dupes. You can let me know all of your feelings in the comment section below. I like a good dupe. I think there are many reasons to know the dupes out there, whether it be for price, brand, ingredients, discontinuation, all that jazz. I just think it's good to know what's on the market in the beauty community, in any community, just in general. It's good to know what's available to you. In today's video, we are putting the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow against the Elf Cosmetics liquid glitter eyeshadow. I have gotten the colors that I feel are the same. For the Elf Cosmetics, I got Black Magic, and for the Stila, I have Molten Midnight. Let's talk a little bit about these products before we test them out. The Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow retails for $24. You can find it at Stila online, Ulta, or Sephora. The Glitter and Glow comes in 12 shades. They also have a Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadow, and that comes in 8 shades. It can be a little confusing when you are looking them up because they also have a Glitter and Glow highlight, which is like for your face. This is the eyeshadow, then there's the shimmer. The shimmer and the glitter are very different. This has a much more like chunky glitter look. The Shimmer and Glow is a lot more like shimmery, you know, it's not as like chunky, noticeable, all that jazz. Elf Cosmetics recently came out with their liquid glitter eyeshadow. This you can find at Elf online as well as Ulta. They might carry it in a couple of other different stores, but don't quote me on that. I know that you can definitely find it in Ulta and Elf online. It retails for $5 and it comes in 8 different shades. If this is a money issue dupe for you, these are $19 difference. These are the outside packaging for them, and here is the actual packaging for them. The packaging color itself is different, but the packaging itself being like very square and very similar, I mean, like, sometimes you can't get away with that just because of how the product is. In the Elf Cosmetics, you get 0.1 fluid ounce or 3 milliliters. In the Stila, you get 0.153 fluid ounces or 4.5 milliliters. So you're getting slightly more in the Stila. You're getting slightly more product with the Stila than you are the Elf Cosmetics. Let me show you the applicators. So these are the applicators, very, very similar. The Stila is a little bit longer, but it also is a bigger package in general. And let's do some swatches side by side. There is the Stila Glitter and Glow in, what was this, Molten Midnight. And there is the Elf in Black Magic. Side by side, they look unbelievably similar. I will say I think that the Stila has a little bit of a better application. However, the color and the glitter and the shine and everything side by side looks spot on, like the exact same. I love it when you find a good dupe. Alright, so if you have been here with our dupes before, you know I like to test these products out side by side to see how they actually look against each other. I have used and I own quite a bit of the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadows because you can find them at Marshall's for like $7. And I always like to wear them over top of eyeshadow. Both of these products say that you can apply to the eyelid with an applicator and blend using your fingertips or a flat eyeshadow brush, wear alone or as an eyeshadow topper to amplify your eye look. I always like to use them as eyeshadow toppers and kind of blend them out, but that is just me, and that's how I like to kind of like wear these. I already know because I own, like I said, quite a few of them. So what we're going to do is just apply these over top of my already existing eye look that I have. As I am applying them, I will talk a little bit about them and what the box says. We are going to be using the Elf Cosmetics on this side and the Stila on this side. So let me start with the Elf Cosmetics, and it says, get an amped up eye look with one swipe glitter coverage. Formulated with comfortable wear and minimal fallout, this long-lasting opaque liquid eyeshadow delivers high impact multi-dimensional glitters and pearls in a quick drying gel base. They are a little bit hard to kind of blend out. When you do try and blend them out with like a flat brush, the color and pigmentation of them definitely turns really like translucent almost, and you kind of lose a lot of that like black pigment in the black eyeshadow part of this. However, not disappointed by it, and like the description said, it definitely is like a gel base, which sometimes can, you know, like I said, mess with like the pigmentation a little bit, uneven application, things like that. But definitely not disappointed with how it looks, especially over top of purple. I've used it over black before, but I kind of like it over purple. So moving on to the Stila Molten Midnight. Let me talk a little bit about this as I put it on. Just gives me the benefits on the box. It says long wearing sparkle eyeshadow, the perfect mix of pearl and glitter for maxed out shimmer, lightweight water infused formula, locks in sparkle for minimal fallout. Alright, so as you can see, again, really nice application, definitely a lot more pigmented and concentrated, and a much more even glitter application throughout the whole thing, which probably means that there is more glitter in the actual formula itself. For the Stila, side by side, you can notice a bit of a difference with the Elf Cosmetics, and from how I understand it, applying and reading about the products, is that since the Elf Cosmetics is a gel base, you're getting a little bit more creasing and you are getting a little bit more translucency through the pigmentation of the eyeshadow. However, you are getting a really nice glitter application throughout the whole eye. With the Stila side, I'm not noticing as much creasing, and I'm actually seeing a lot more pigmentation of the like black eyeshadow pigment, as well as a nice even distribution of the glitter from like corner to corner of my eye. I'm going to go off camera and put some mascara and eyelashes on, and then we will be back for final thoughts on how these two performed against each other. But I'm only really noticing like slight differences between the two, nothing like unbelievably crazy. So yeah, we will be back for some final thoughts. Alright, mascara and lashes applied, worn, you know, for a few minutes. Biggest differences is in the actual texture of the formula, whereas the Elf Cosmetics says that it is a gel-based and the Stila says that it is a water-based formula. You can tell that in the actual wear of the eyeshadow because, like I was saying before, the Elf Cosmetics has this translucency and it is kind of like creasing and breaking up a little bit whenever I'm blinking and wearing it. However, the color and the glitter very similar to the Stila side. The Stila side being a water-based formula, it doesn't have as much creasing and it doesn't have as much translucency. It is very opaque, so you are still getting a nice coverage over top and or by itself of the actual eyeshadow, along with a nice even glitter application. Side by side though, I don't think that you can tell a huge difference. I think that the Stila side is a little bit more glittery and a little bit more like glitz and glam than the Elf. I think that goes to, again, the formulation of the product. There might be slightly more glitter in the Stila side than the Elf side. But for a $19 difference, if you are buying the Elf or if you're watching this because of a budgetary issue, if you are looking to get the same look and effect and you want to create the same, you know, eye looks or party looks out there and you can't afford the Stila, this Elf liquid glitter eyeshadow is going to take you where you need to go. It might not wear as long, or you might not be able to get the pigment or the eyeshadow to not crease for as long into the night, but if you're just wanting to create or get the same effect as the Stila Glitter and Glow, then yeah, the Elf is definitely where you're going to want to go to save your pennies. However, if you can afford the nicer product, obviously I think the Stila is performing slightly better, but side by side, I'm not noticing too big of a difference. Like, I think these are a really great dupe for each other, the Stila Glitter and Glow and the Elf Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow. I think side by side, you know, you can't tell too much of a difference other than the intensity of pigment and glitter disbursement. So yeah, these are a pretty good dupe for each other. I will link these products in the description box below so you can check them out on your own time. I will link what I used on my face in the description box below too, so you can check it out on your own time. Let me know your thoughts. Have you tried the Elf Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow? Have you used the Stila Glitter and Glow eyeshadows? Which do you prefer? Have you found anything else that's similar on the market? I know there's a lot of eyeshadow toppers and lip toppers and things like that, but honestly, I don't think that there are a lot of products out there like these two currently. Let me know all of your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more reviews or tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, guys.